Another day, another recipe. double fry, once on medium heat and then on high heat.